Hi everyone. So I just took out these cookies that I made last night from the dehydrator. Check this out. And they're going to be moist inside. I'm just going to film myself eating one. So if I can replicate this recipe, I just got to figure out what I did now. Hopefully the lighting's okay in here. Hang on. It looks dark to me. Okay. Hopefully that's better. Okay, here we go. Taste test. Look at these cookies. They're so moist inside. You see that? Wow. This could be another winner. I'll be doing a video on these. I just gotta perfect the recipe, like the amounts and everything, and then I'll share it. Oh, this is good. Have a good day.